Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm currently going through a huge change in my life, and I thought that I have to document it because I think this is one of the biggest thing that has happened to me, that is happening to me right now, and I was like, I have to document it. I have to film it because that is what this channel is for. Like, as I've said in my first YouTube video, that I love recording moments, memories, people. Like, I just love being the person who's behind the camera, being the person who's in front of the camera. I just love to record everything. Like, I wish मेरे पास like 5,000 करोड़ टीबी की स्टोरेज होती तो मैं लिटरली अपनी लाइफ का हर एक मोमेंट रिकॉर्ड कर लेती. And the purpose of this YouTube channel is to like kind of record everything, and I can literally like put them all together, edit them, and उसके पीछे अपने फेवरेट गाने लगा सकती हूँ मैं. Like, I can actually romanticize my life however I want to. I can actually make my life into a movie if I want to, right? So that's the main purpose of this channel. I love doing all of this stupid stuff. So yeah, I was like कि, bro, I have to document it because like, आप कभी ऐसे बैठे होते हो, there are phases in your life and you're just sitting and you randomly remember some moments, a phase of your life, and you're like, damn bro, like वो भी तो एक moment था. Maybe years later I will think about the moment when I first moved out of my house, the first time that I was away on my own, like, and I would want to like watch this video. I think, that how was I feeling, what all have I said in this video, how was it, right? So yeah, I was like, ये तो करना पड़ेगा भाई record. So yes, the big change that is currently happening in my life is that I'm moving out, and it's very special. Like, it's genuinely very very special because you know आजकल from the past 2 months especially, I've been feeling like a complete loser, and I'm being very truthful, very honest. I genuinely feel like a loser. I feel that I've not achieved anything in life, and as if I'm running out of time, even though I will turn 22 at the end of this month, right? But I feel like, no, I'm running behind. There are people who have achieved so much more, who've accomplished so much more in their life. What am I doing? I'm a complete loser. And I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that I prepared for this exam and I could not get into my dream college because I kind of based my entire self esteem on this exam, on this college. I thought that only if I could clear this exam, only if I could get into this college, only then I'm somebody who has achieved something in life, who has accomplished something in life. And now that it did not happen, it's like everything is shattered. And I was thinking ki bhai, literally, I was born in a village, right? Then my mom decided that she wanted me and my brother to be raised in the city to get better education, better lifestyle. So we moved to the city. And wahan pe bhi we moved to this really backward area in Ghaziabad, Lal Kuwa. And it's very backward, right? Everybody who knows Lal Kuwa kahan pe hai, kaisi jagah hai, it's very backward. ठीक है, वहाँ से भी we moved out and we moved to Vasundhara, and it was a much better place. And then I moved to Noida, and now I'm moving to Bangalore. And I was just thinking that God definitely has so much planned for me. Like, I was literally thinking, I am literally thinking for the past 2 months that I'm not feeling connected to God. Like, something is off. I don't know what is God's plan. Everybody says कि believe in God's plan and everything, but I'm a complete loser. I don't think I will ever be able to achieve anything or anything like that. But I was thinking, bro, this was all God's plan. Like, what are the odds that a girl who was literally born in a village, and my family is very conservative, like, trust me, it's very very conservative. It's very conservative, right? And here I am moving to Bangalore, and the only reason that I'm moving to Bangalore is because of me, because I cleared an exam. And this was actually the main reason why I was studying so hard for this exam. This was also one of the reasons that I wanted to move out. I wanted to, like, explore that hostel life, bachelor life, because everybody says that once, like, at least once in life you have to experience, you should experience that bachelor life. You should live on your own, you should live away from home, and it will teach you so much. You will make so many memories. And as I said, my family is very conservative, so I was like, भाई मैं अपने 20s यहाँ वेस्ट नहीं कर सकती. मैं अगर घर पे रही, मैं अपने 20s कभी enjoy नहीं कर पाऊंगी. And I think that's the, like, peak moment of your life, that where you will make the most amazing memories and you'll remember them every time forever. You'll cherish them forever. And I want to have stories to tell to my children, right? कि भाई ये सब किया था. From the past 2 months I've not been feeling grateful. I'm not able to practice gratitude. But ठीक है, मतलब I was thinking कि bro, no, like, if I undervalue all my efforts, if I don't think that I've made any efforts in life, if I don't appreciate and recognize and actually see all the good things that have happened to me, all the good things that are happening to me, then my life will always be dull, right? Because comparison is the thief of joy. And I'm always comparing myself from people I don't even know, from people I don't talk to on a daily basis. And I'm like, wow, they're doing so great, but I don't know that, right? I mean, maybe in their personal lives they're struggling a lot. Obviously I'm very nervous when I'm recording this video. It's 2nd of July today, and I'll be, like, हमारी फ्लाइट है 4th जुलाई को सुबह 5 बजे. एंड तो उसके लिए हमें एयरपोर्ट ऐसे 3 बजे तो पहुंचना ही पड़ेगा. एंड देन उसके लिए हमें कुछ 1-2 बजे तो निकलना ही पड़ेगा एयरपोर्ट के लिए. So I kind of have, like, only one day left in this room. Like, this is my room. Like, I will miss this room. And तुम लोग को लगता होगा कि ये क्या है मेरे पीछे, मैंने क्या वॉलपेपर कर दिया है. एक्चुअली मुझे अचानक से जोश आया था कि ओ माय गॉड, मैं अपना रूम पूरा एस्थेटिक बना दूंगी. तो मैंने अपनी मम्मा से बोला था कि मैं ये वॉलपेपर्स मंगाऊंगी. एंड आई डिड नॉट कंप्लीट इट because then I got lazy and I couldn't do it, and I was like, fuck this, नहीं हो पाएगा. सो या ये तब से ऐसा ही है. एंड यस, मैंने अपनी घर की दीवारें खराब कर दी हैं. कभी कभी मैं सोचती हूँ मेरे घर वालों को मुझे सच में मुझे घर से बाहर निकाल देना चाहिए, जैसे मैं हरकतें करती हूँ. बिकॉज, लाइक, लिटरली मैंने एक दीवार घर की खराब कर दी है. Anyways, I will miss this room. I will miss sleeping in this room. I think today will be the last night that I sleep in this room, क्योंकि 12, I mean, कल तो मैं रात के, like, 11-12 बजे तैयारी हो रही होंगी एयरपोर्ट के लिए. So yeah, I'm kind of really nervous yet excited, really anxious, sad, but also happy at the same time. I'm feeling too much at once. Like, my emotions are all over the place. And I mean, I will miss this place. I will genuinely miss this place. I will miss Ghaziabad. I will miss Noida a lot, because my entire life has been here, right? I mean, Ghaziabad especially. Like, I think all my life, since I can remember, I've lived in Ghaziabad, and I've done my schooling from there, my tuitions from there. Like, I will genuinely miss it. My school time was amazing, even though I got bullied a lot during my school time. But there are just so many moments that I cherish so much. I mean, I made lifelong friends there, right? I met such amazing people. और अभी भी, like, there are few people from school जिनके जो, like, they will always stay in my heart, right? Like, no matter where I move away, even though we have drifted apart, we don't talk much, we only, like, reply to each other's stories when something good happens to us and we post about it. But, like, I will always have a place in my heart for those people. And just everybody that I've met here and all the memories that I've had. I will miss the food because I'm moving to Bangalore. And मैंने तो सुना है यार वहाँ पे मोमोज भी नहीं मिलते. ओ माय गॉड गाइस, मेरा मोमोज और चिली पटाटो के बिना तो गुजारा ही नहीं चलता है. Anyways, I will miss all the food outlets, all the people, and like it just feels like we're all moving out of this place, this city where we all met, where we all made these memories, the place that made us, right? And we're all just leaving it. Tanishka has moved out to Hyderabad for her job. Tanvi will move out. I'm pretty sure her college is also going to end pretty soon, and she'll also move out. Like, and I'm moving out. Everybody is leaving this place. And I remember we used to go to Kamla Nagar, Sarojini Nagar. भाई हमने कौन सा मार्केट नहीं गए हैं हम. वी लिटरली लाइक हम लोग हर सेमेस्टर हमारा जब हम ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे थे, हर कॉलेज का सेमेस्टर स्टार्ट होने से पहले वी यूज टू गो टू कमला नगर ऑन दिस शॉपिंग स्प्री कि भाई नए कपड़े तो लेने हैं ना, न्यू सेमेस्टर स्टार्ट हो रहा है. एंड आई जस्ट फील लाइक व्हाट भाई, कमला नगर विल मिस अस. It will miss us. Sarojini Nagar will miss us. RDC will miss us. Sandwiches, Winkies, Babu Bhaiya ke momos or chili potato, they will all miss us. And we will miss them too. Like, it just feels unreal that we are all just moving out now. Like, the place that made us, the place where we met, the place where we made all the memories. When I think so deeply about it, I just get all these sudden waves of all, all these emotions. Like, I don't know what to feel. And yeah, I mean, I will miss this place. That's it. And I'm moving out, and I really hope that Bangalore treats me well. I hope that now, like, everything goes well and I'm able to adjust well. I'm really, really nervous about everything. Like, my first time moving away, मुझे तो sharing करने की भी आदत नहीं है. And I don't know, but I just really hope that everybody that I met here, all the friends that I made, all the enemies that I made, I just wish all the very best for everybody, because we're all growing up, bro. Like, it hits differently when you think about it. So yeah, I mean, I think that is all I want to say. I hope life treats all of us well. I hope we all are doing that in the future. We're all doing something that we love, something that genuinely truly makes us happy. I hope none of us gives up, and I really hope that this place never changes, and that this place never forgets us. Yeah, I mean, I read this post on Instagram which was like sapne kahin apne kahin, and I'm like, damn, bro, that's some real shit. I'm pretty sure I have so much more to say. I'm pretty sure when I end this video, I'll be like, oh my god, मैंने ये क्यों नहीं कहा, वो क्यों नहीं कहा. But you know what? That's what it is about, right? We can never ever express all our feelings, and we don't have to express them into words. We just have to feel them because they're feelings. Yeah. Sorry guys, मेरे फ़ोन की स्टोरेज उड़ गई थी as usual. So I just want to say that yes, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, like, thank you so much for hearing me, because you don't have to, you clearly don't have to, but if you did, then thank you so much. And yeah, I mean, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and obviously don't forget to smile. You cannot, you should not, so smile right now. Okay, bye.